On the road, the unexpected happens in a split second. When every moment is critical to ensuring safety, the speed of response determines the outcome. eCall is a life-saving system that automatically detects a crash. Immediately after impact, it transmits the MSD, the minimum set of data, and establishes a direct voice call to a PSAP, drastically reducing emergency response times. MSD is a compact but powerful data packet containing everything rescuers need to know. This includes the precise GPS location, the vehicle's heading, and its VIN. It even reports the number of passengers and the type of fuel, critical details for a safe and effective rescue. Simultaneously, a voice call is established, creating a direct lifeline between the occupants and the emergency operator. However, traditional manual testing methods struggle to verify these complex scenarios. They lack repeatability, and manual data generation is not only time-consuming, but also prone to human error. XCAL-eCall is a PC-based test solution that automates the entire process. From setting up accident cases and auto-generating standard-compliant MSD messages to vehicle signal transmission and PSAP emulation, it perfectly reproduces real-world accident scenarios in a virtual environment. XCAL-eCall provides 5 core advantages that differentiate our solution in the emergency call testing market. Graphical accident simulation, visualization of crash information, end-to-end verification, real-time wireless and voice quality analysis, repeatable and consistent test environment.